Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make Google prompts anonymous. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening your Google Prompts and select the prompt for which you want anonymous response. Now go to Settings and uncheck the box labeled Collect Email Addresses. To uncollect, this ensures responses are anonymous. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.